Well, I was going about to say, this is the PA-28-180 that we've just seen come over anyway. Which, as you can see, this registration here we've not seen before anyway. But this is the first time that I've ever seen this registration anyway. As the registration is G-ELUE apparently. So yeah. Which I haven't got a clue where this plane's based at anyway. But to be fair, I've literally haven't got a clue where this plane is based from anyway. So yeah. As you can see here though, this is where it's been anyway. I think it's been somewhere, probably over Cold Rose I believe anyway. Somewhere just over Cold Rose I think it's been for a visit I believe anyway. I believe he's probably been out somewhere, probably over Cold Rose I believe, or probably Land's End Airport or the other city anyway. Which I don't know where that's just taken off from anyway. But go plane fighter. Nope, it's not on there. What about flight radar? Nope, flight radar hasn't got it anyway. To be fair, I haven't got a clue where this base has come from anyway. Obviously, as you can see, is that one anyway. But obviously, it's private owned now anyway. So here's a PA-28-161 Cherokee Warrior. It is anyway. So yeah, I don't know what the operator is anyway, but it's a private owned now anyway. But well, not so I would imagine plane fighter might know it anyway, where that plane's come from anyway. No. Well, it looks of it, I don't know where that plane's come from anyway. But just you can see here that's just flown here just between 24 and 25,000 feet anyway. So I think I would imagine this came out from probably where it's been visiting to, I believe, probably down at Honest Cold Rose I believe anyway. Or possibly Land's End Airport, or even other city I believe by St Mary's Airport. Which I think it might have taken off from there anyway, which I don't know anyway, so yeah. Okay, so, yep. I think by the looks of it, he's now heading back to his base, I believe, anyway. He's now travelling all the way back to his base, I believe, anyway. Which I haven't got a clue where this plane's based at anyway, so, yeah. Okay, so, yep. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.